Good morning, sir, madam. I am Annabel Yasa, 42 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids. The eldest is 19 years old, the second one is 15, and the youngest is 13 years old. I graduated my secondary education, but my college, I've been in 3 years in college taking a Bachelor of Science in Fishery Education. I have working experience in Riyadh. I have 2 years there in Riyadh taking care of the babies. 7 years old and a 6-month-old babies. My job is cleaning the house, cook food, simple food, and I'm willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market, I wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor, I prepare school uniform for kids and help them in their assignments. My hobbies are watching TV and listening music. And now at present, I am working as a voluntary health worker in our towns. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your mates, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon, sir, madam.